Hello, welcome back to another video. This is not a vacuum video. This is a washing machine video. For my other viewers, this may be a little bit different to you, but this video is kind of like for JK18. If you know him, he's he does all different types of videos. Like he does this right here. He does washing machines. He does reviews on other things. He does premieres on slime. Well, that's what he's doing right now. But anyways, go subscribe to him. Go subscribe to his channel, JK18. What we have here is a Whirlpool WTW5300SQ0. That's the model number right there. Let's see if I can get a shot of it right there. There you go. WTW5300SQ0. So yeah, what we're going to be doing today is I'm going to show. He wanted me to do a video on how my machine is doing since I put the new timer in. This machine needed a new timer. When I got it, it needed a new timer. Like it would just agitate, or yeah, it would pretty much just agitate or spin non-stop. So like it wasn't advancing through the cycles. So yeah. So I thought he wanted me to do a video on how it's doing since I put the timer in. So here we go. So what we have here is our load size. Load size, that determines how big your load is. You have small, medium, and super. But for this, we're just gonna leave it on small. Okay, here we have our temperature, wash temp. We got cold, warm, and hot. We're just gonna leave it on warm. And also it says at the bottom, all cold rinses. So every single rinse, it's going to be cold. So that's it for our options and all that stuff. So now we're going to move over to the cycle selector. Okay, so you can see there's a casual permanent press, and that's a low agitation. What that is casual permanent press. That's more for like your delicates and all that stuff. Over there we have a quick wash, which is also a low agitation. Quick wash is just a quick wash, pretty much. It's just a regular wash, except for it's quicker. And we got normal right there, which this is the cycle that you're going to be using mostly, and it's a high agitation. So yeah, normal, it's a high agitation, just for your everyday wear and all that stuff. So I'm going to be showing every cycle. And also, if you notice, there's also a pre-wash right there. Sorry about that. Every single video, there's a car in it, so I'm sorry about that. But anyways, I'm going to be showing every single cycle. So we are going to leave this on small, and then I'll show you all the temperatures and all that stuff. Leave this on small. It's going to stay on warm for now, and then we're going to set this on normal, regular, and this will agitate for 10 minutes, which I'm not going to leave it agitating that long. Again, I'm going to show all the cycles. So here we go. You see water is coming in. Water is coming in right now. nice and steady at a good speed. Really good speed. Put it in there at a good rate, good speed. So yeah, this is warm. This is warm water right now. So this is warm. Okay, let's switch it over to hot. Okay, it's on hot. Now, you will notice that it's filling slower. Well, that's because there's only one valve going. It's not both valves, it's only one valve. But it's still filling quickly at a good speed still. Okay. There's that's hot right there. Now, if we switch this to cold, you will notice it's still cold. This is cold right now. Okay, I'm going to leave it right here, and then when I switch it back to warm, you will see the difference. Alright, it's on warm. You can see the difference, because now both valves are going now. So that's your water temperature from cold, warm, and hot. And remember, all rinses are cold. And this right here is your bleach dispenser. Liquid chlorine bleach. So yeah. So our low flap is small. Water temperature is warm. Cycles on normal, regular. Alright, almost there. And start etching. Any second now. Any second. Right about now. Kind of tells you what to do for different things and all that stuff. So this is high agitation. This was on regular, and as you can see, it has moved. It has moved. So, we all know that it's working correctly. Which is a good thing. Let's see if we can see this moving here. Sorry for the shaking, but as you can see, it moved. It moved. So high agitation. What we're going to do now is stop this, and we're going to put it over to the casual permanent press cycle. Pull the knob. Now, you can see the agitation is much slower. So you can see that water is still sloshing around. Or the high efficiency machines that go wow, 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 wow. It's so loud and annoying. Who likes to hear it? Nobody wants to hear that wow, wow stuff. It's fun. But Whirlpool direct drive is the way to go. It's the way to go. And here's what it sounds like with it open. Here's what it sounds like with it closed. So yeah, it's pretty quiet. It's pretty quiet. Okay. So this is low agitation. Okay. And I'm gonna stop it. And bring it over to quick wash. You can see it's the same speed. The same speed for quick wash. Now quick wash is just like it's just a regular wash except for so that's quick wash. So now maybe you can see this move again. You can see it's on the regular right now. It's on the regular. And it should move. I know people don't want to look at this all day. I know they don't.
We'll see. But this is quick wash right here. It's pretty dang quiet. The camera is blurry, but there you go. Fixed it. But it's blurry. Alright, let's see if we can see this move. There you go, it's moving. So there you go. The timer works. It works just like it should. Now, you guys saw that move. So now what we're gonna do is set this to the pre-wash. That's pre-wash. Pre-wash is a high agitation. Sounds like a choo-choo train. Now, what we're going to do now is stop this and put it in the drain area. And I have another washing machine right here. I've done a video on it, but I got this LG, one of the crappy ones. It's one of the high efficiency machines that save water and a true balance system. Let's see. It's right there. I'm going to go to the off position. And there we go. It's in the off position. So yeah, that does it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And comment down below on what video you want me to do next. So yeah. JK18, here's a video for you on how my machine is doing so far. So yeah, that does it for this video. So yeah, I showed you the load size, I showed you the wash temp and the old cold rinses. So every single rinse it does, it's cold water. So casual permanent press, quick wash, normal, and the pre-wash. But 3 cycles, that's good. So if you guys enjoyed this video, just let me know what you think. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to comment down below on what video you want me to do next. So yeah, that does it. And yeah, that pretty much does it. So until next time, peace.